Is your smart TV suddenly slow, freezing, buffering, or taking forever to respond? Before you think about replacing it, stop, because today I'm showing you 8 hidden fixes that can make your smart TV feel fast again, and most people never check these settings. Let's get into it. Fix number 1. Most people think pressing the power button restarts the TV. It doesn't. It only puts the TV into standby mode, meaning bugs, lag, and temporary junk stay stuck in memory. Here's the proper restart. Turn the TV on, unplug it directly from the wall, wait 1 full minute, then plug it back in. Not 10 seconds, a full minute. This clears temporary glitches and can instantly make menus and apps feel faster. Fix number 2. Before blaming the TV, check your remote. Seriously, sometimes the TV isn't lagging at all, your remote is. Weak batteries can make button presses slow or inconsistent, making the TV feel delayed. Even sticky buttons or a blocked sensor can cause the same problem. Here's what to do. Replace the batteries with fresh ones, clean any sticky buttons, and wipe the front sensor on the remote with a dry cloth. Then stand directly in front of the TV and test it. You'd be surprised how many slow TV problems are actually just a bad remote. Fix number 3. If Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, or any app feels slow, this one matters. Over time, apps collect junk files, old thumbnails, and temporary data that slow everything down. Go to Settings, then Apps, select the app, and clear cache. Important. Clear cache, not data, unless you want to sign in again. This simple step can make apps feel brand new. Fix number 4. Let me guess. Your TV has apps you haven't opened in years. Old streaming services, random games, shopping apps. Every unused app takes up storage and system resources. Go through your apps and ask yourself, do I actually use this? If not, delete it. Try to keep it under 70% for smoother performance. The more free space your TV has, the smoother it usually runs. Fix number 5. Sometimes the TV isn't actually slow, your internet is. If your router is far away or maybe hidden behind walls, streaming apps can really struggle to load properly. Try moving closer to the router if you can, and if your TV supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch to it. It's usually much faster than regular 2.4 GHz for streaming. Fix number 6. Want the biggest internet upgrade? Use a wired connection. An Ethernet cable is just faster and way more stable than Wi-Fi. No signal drops, less buffering, and definitely faster streaming. If your router is close enough, this upgrade honestly makes a huge difference. Fix number 7. A lot of TVs feel slow simply because they're running outdated software. Manufacturers actually release updates that improve speed, fix bugs, and boost stability. So go into your settings and manually check for updates, especially if your TV is more than a few years old. Fix number 8. Look for settings called Quick Start, Fast Boot, or Auto Start, and turn them off. Sure, your TV might take a few extra seconds to turn on, but it'll shut down properly instead of staying half awake all the time. That means fewer glitches and smoother performance over time. Seriously, try these 9 fixes before buying a new TV. You might be surprised how fast your TV suddenly feels again. And hey, tell me in the comments, which fix actually worked for you.